Hello, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're showcasing and unboxing the Belkin USB-C car charger and the Belkin 45 watt power delivery wall adapter with USB-C cable. So we'll start with this one right here. This is providing a 45 watts. We like that it has a foldable flip out charger for the wall. There's one USB-C port right there. Provides 45 watts of power with power delivery. So that means it can power your MacBook laptop, MacBook Air. Here is the included USB-C cable right here. And that's 6 foot long, so that's nice. And then up here is the car charger. This is USB-C car charger right there. It's very small. And here's some details. It does 36 watts of power. You can pause the video and take a look. So 36 watts is enough to also power a MacBook Air. It's quite a bit of power coming from one car adapter. We like the home adapter because it can fast charge your devices like your iPhone and iPad with a USB-C to Lightning cable. This is Chris Rochnaut, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course, thumbs up.